to welcome you to blackpenredpen.
Okay, last time I showed you guys how to find a formula for the sequence 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, so on, so on, so on, right? Unfortunately, my formula was way too complicated, but I'm lucky because I have you guys to back me up. Thanks to my wonderful subscribers. Here is another way to do it, and it's going to be much quicker and much better, alright? So, as a convention, we'll say that n starts at 1. And let's look at cosine of pi over 2n. And based on this, if you plug in some n values, you will see the first term is going to be cosine of pi over 2. That's going to be 0. And then when you plug in 2 in here, you have cosine of pi, and that's going to be -1. And next, cosine of 3 pi over 2, that's going to be 0. And then cosine of pi over 2 times 4, which is 2 pi. Cosine of 2 pi is going to be 1. And this is going to repeat 0, -1, 0, 1, and so on, okay? And now, if you compare this and what we want to achieve, the 1 match, right, at the fourth spot, but I want to somehow make this equal to 0. If I can succeed to make this equal to 0, then this will be the same as that, right? Okay, we have -1 already. How can we make -1 become 0? Well, we can simply add 1 to it. And I do not want to ruin this to 0 neither, right? So it will be better, it will be ideal if I can somehow come with a sequence 0, 1, 0, so that when I add them, this is going to be 0, 0, 0, right? And now, when we have 0, 1, 0, what should the next one be? Well, I said the answer already, which is 1. And then you see, these numbers in red, we have a formula for that as well, but let me write it down first. This is 0, 1, 0, 1, and so on. This and that, they look so alike, right? And one of the answers to get this sequence is either you take the absolute value of this, or you can just simply square this, right? Because -1, when you take the absolute value, you can get 1. When you square -1, you still get +1. So, up to you. If you like absolute value, go ahead and use that. But I think squaring is actually much better because you don't need to worry about when you differentiate and then you get any corners, things like that, right? So I will just look at this and I will square that, and I will put this down in red. Cosine square of pi over 2n. This will precisely give you this sequence here. And all in all now, I just have to add them up. And when I do that, well, this is going to be 0, 0. Okay, so let me just write this down first. This is cosine of pi over 2n plus cosine square of pi over 2n. And this is going to produce this. I don't want 0, 0, 0, 2. I want 0, 0, 0, 1. Well, what can we do? We can simply divide this by 2 so that we can just divide every term by 2. Isn't it? Aha, I said that word again. Anyway, we are done. So on this right here, we have cosine of pi over 2. And here is, I think, the easiest answer when you don't want to use any of the modular arithmetic or any whatever computer language. Anyway, that's it. Okay, this is Oreo. That's Luna. Oreo, what are you doing?